All right. I just seen these in the store today. This is like a game changer, dude. Indeed. Like, they're really boosting, the TTI is really boosting Walmart's tough, hyper tough brand. Where is the friggin' heart version of this? This is gonna kick ass. This is a 3.5 inch cut, 3-inch cutoff. Brushless. They're only giving you a crappy 1.5 amp battery. I'm gonna throw a 4 on this. I saw they sell a pack of blades, but it's $9. They're giving you a wood blade, a tile blade, a multi-material blade, and a metal blade for $9, which is just that's just way too much money, because you can get like 25 blades at Harbor Freight for under $9. I mean, they're all metal cutting blades, but do you need a tile blade? You could just buy a tile blade if you need one. But let's check this puppy out. It's not clearance or anything, but I bought this because I can use a cutoff tool. I usually use the Hart Dremel tool with the cutoff tool to do everything, but it's only a 1-inch wheel, so you're kind of limited to what you're doing. We probably got the battery and the. Oh, this is gonna show us all the new tools. We'll look at that after. Anyway, there's your UPC. It's the 8223, bruh. Brushless. This will be your charger and your battery. Usually I already have a battery ready. Since this is brand new, I assume this battery is already charged. Oh, these are the new style batteries where you actually got a readout, but they don't put the USB on this. That sucks. Anyway, you got a readout now. Is there no tool? There's supposed to be a tool. It must be attached to it somewhere. Where the frick is the tool? You need the Allen wrench. Wait, where's the blades? Oh, here they are. I forgot. I'm sorry. Maybe the tool. The tool should be attached to this. Am I missing it? Am I missing it, bro? Oops. I don't want to do that. That's a nice safety feature. No safety feature. No safety feature at all. Where the frick is the Allen wrench? I know it's probably in that box, but it should be attached to the tool. There's no safety feature. That is super dangerous, because you could just drop this. Look at that. That is so super dangerous. Wait, why didn't it turn on that time? Is the battery dead now? Oh. What the hell's going on? That was weird. Yeah, that's super dangerous. Oh, I'll do it. I'll open it. Oh, there it is. Should have opened in the first place, huh? But what the hell? Oh, nope. Maybe I'll scan the directions. You want to be able to put this somewhere. So there's no, this is super dangerous. This is super dangerous. What in the hell? For real. That is a, what? That is super dangerous. So this is wood, plastic, plaster. And this one's going to be the metal one. I'm not going to actually put these on, but I'll show it. So you're going to lock this in place. Okay, so this you can adjust just by turning it like that. So you can go vroom, 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 vroom. Ah, cut my junk. Yeah, I'm not going to attach the blades though. I just don't feel like it. What are you, 8 minutes? Yeah, well, yeah, this is super cool. Except for the no safety there. This is super cool. Except you got no place to put this. So you're going to basically have to do something like put something like this in here. Is something roughly like this, so that it holds it. Something tighter. I don't know. But this is super dangerous. If you just drop this in your toolbox, are you kidding me? You got a tool just drops, falls on it like that. That is super dangerous, dude. Super dangerous, but I love it. So your options are, this is 5 metal cutters from Harbor Freight. This is like $4.50. This is the $10 one at Walmart. It's actually a deal because the tile cutting blade at Harbor Freight is $10. I think at Home Depot it's $10. So with this you're getting a general purpose blade. This is wood. You see the saw on there? You're going to get this, which I think is the tile blade. Tile and diamond blade for cutting tile. So this blade itself, so this thing is $9. This blade itself at Harbor Freight is $10. So I guess this is a deal, getting this, just because of this blade right here. And then you're going to get 2 of these. So you're basically buying a tile blade for 10, well for 9, and you're getting these 2 others with it. And these are both metal cutting. Well, this one's masonry and this one's metal.